Welcome to today's vlog. As I promised in my earlier video, I am bringing to you my video for how to handle meal preps. If you're looking for ways to save time, eat healthier, and make your week a little less hectic, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the basics of meal prepping, a game changer for anyone wanting to streamline their meals and make better food choices without the daily hassle. I'll walk you through everything from planning a simple menu and grocery shopping tips to prepping balanced meals for the entire week. Whether you're new to meal prep or looking for fresh ideas to shake up your routine, you're going to love these time-saving strategies. Meal prep is essential for saving time, reducing stress, and supporting healthier eating habits. By preparing meals in advance, you avoid last-minute takeout, control portions, and ensure balanced nutrition throughout the week. It's a cost-effective way to stay organized, making it easier to stick to your food goals. Planning a menu is important because it simplifies daily decision-making, saves time, and helps control food costs. It ensures balanced, nutritious meals, reducing the temptation for unhealthy options. Menu planning also minimizes food waste by aligning grocery lists with actual needs, creating a more efficient, stress-free kitchen routine while supporting healthier eating habits. A weekly meal prep routine can start with planning meals and creating a shopping list. Begin by batch cooking versatile grains like rice, quinoa, or pasta and roasting a variety of veggies such as sweet potatoes, broccoli, and bell peppers. Prep simple breakfasts, like overnight oats or smoothie packs, and pack snacks such as chopped veggies, fruits, or nuts. Grill or bake proteins like chicken, tofu, or fish, and portion them into containers for easy mix and match meals. Effective grocery shopping starts with planning meals and creating a list to stay focused and avoid unnecessary purchases. Organize your list by aisle or store section to streamline the process and prevent backtracking. Stick to your list to avoid impulse buys, and try to shop after eating to minimize temptation. Opt for seasonal produce for better prices and fresher options, and buy pantry staples in bulk to save on non-perishables like grains, beans, and spices. Check for sales or digital coupons on regular items but avoid buying solely because of a discount. Store brands can offer quality at a lower price, so consider them over name brands. Always check expiration dates, especially on perishables, to reduce waste. Finally, bring reusable bags to stay eco-friendly and reduce plastic usage. Meal prep essentials. It is very important to have your set of meal prep essentials such as a good quality chopping board, quality set of knives and measuring spoons/cups, etc. Storing meals and keeping ingredients fresh. It's essential to keep ingredients fresh all week, such as refrigerating in airtight containers, freezing extras, and using glass jars for visibility. Time-saving hacks. We should go for quick hacks, like chopping vegetables in bulk, using pre-cut veggies, or investing in a food processor. Also, try prepping snacks like veggie sticks, boiled eggs, or energy bites to grab on the go. Thanks for watching. I hope these meal prep tips help you save time, reduce stress, and stay on track with your healthy eating goals. Remember, a little prep goes a long way toward making your week smoother and more enjoyable. I hope these ideas make your weekly routine easier, healthier, and more efficient. Remember, meal prepping is about finding what works best for you, so feel free to start small and adjust as you go. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends. Let me know in the comments your favorite meal prep hack or what you'd like to see next. Happy prepping!